Okay, just a quick video of how to remove the charcoal canister for the Kove 450 rally. So the first thing that you need to do is remove this side, or just loosen this side of the tank. So you're on the left hand side. We have this bolt here, this bolt here, and this bolt here. So we undo those three. Undo those three, and then we simply lift up and pull away. Now we don't have to take it completely off, because then you've got to split the fuel lines. And you can see the charcoal canister here running down into this little box here, which just pops off and then follows all the way down to the bottom to the charcoal canister there. So we're just going to pop that off, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I've just pulled the tank. You just slide it off these little runners here, as you can see there, and here. They slip into these rubber bungs here and there. So just give yourself, you don't have to disconnect all of your fuel and senders, etc. It's just so you can get access. Pop this little thing off here. You follow it down to the canister, which is down there, and that slides off. So if you can focus on the charcoal canister at the bottom there, just get some light on. There's two pipes. The first one there is going in, that's on your furthest away, and your second pipe is going back to the air filter, back to the air circulation in your fuel tank. So we need to block this one off and cut this one all together. That'll come out. But this first one here, the nearest to us, let me get on there. This one here, we're going to block it with a screw, and I'll show you how that goes in a second. So this is the canister removed. There's your canister. Those are your two pipes that go into your front fillers. That's your section in the middle, which just pops off on rubbers, and as you can see, these two pop off on rubbers as well. And get rid of that, we don't need that. And then you're left with this pipe. This pipe just needs blocking off, otherwise it's going to be sucking air in. We don't need it. So we can cut this off anywhere about here and just plug it with a bolt, which I will do now. This is now plugged with a T6 bolt. I'll tidy that up and put it all back together. So there we are. There's the bike put back together. 3 bolts on the tank. Nice and neat. And to finish it off, these 2 little end caps. The biggest pain in the backside is when you're fueling your tank up and you've got to twist these round and get them so they don't snag on this rubber. On these pipes, because these pipes, they just twist. So there we go. That's the full thing removed. Easy as you like. And they're nice and neat. Fabulous. Another job ticked off. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more works, tricks and hacks on the Kove 450 Rally. Thanks for watching. Bye.